Hi friends. Today we are going to make a face mask in easy steps. And we are going to make the same in cloth carry bag or from a tissue paper, which are very freely available everywhere. So no need to worry, it is environmental friendly as well. No waste. No pollution. We need a carry bag or tissue paper or just a clean paper for making this face mask. First, take a cloth carry bag. Then cut its topmost holder or handle part. Then cut its edges as well. Then cut the same into square shape. So we can make almost 8 masks from this single carry bag. That means we can make them from its 2 layers together. Cut the first layer into 4 pieces. Take 1 piece to make a single mask. Then fold it by 1 inch for making multiple loops to get adequate room for breathing. Then fold the edge and put a rubber band there. Then you can staple the fold over there. Do repeat the same thing to the next end as well. The mask is almost ready. We can use it as a makeshift one. These are ideal for emergency situations. You can use it for a single use only. You can use beautiful designer clothes to make the mask so cute. These are more comfortable and lasting. Just see. How is the video, friends? If you like, just subscribe and press the bell icon. And comment in the comment section as well. We will be back with more videos soon. Thanks.